All right, guys, quick video here. I just wanted to let you know I just flew this Vivitar Phoenix for the first time. And, man, that thing flies really nice. I was really overly surprised at how this thing flew. It really, it is really crisp in the steering. You know what I mean? It steers excellently, like the Anafi. And you know, it's got the camera on there, and on this one the camera does go the 180 degrees straight up and straight down, which you'll see in the little video I shot here later on tomorrow, the next day or whatever. But yeah, it flew really nice. Really nice. I was really surprised with it. So now the range, which I didn't think the range on this thing was going to be any good anyway. I mean, it's got 2 AA batteries in the controller. Because I remember the QC guy said something to me about it. He said, man, it looked nice, Brian, but then he says, I saw them 2 AA batteries in the controller. And I said, that's not going to be able to go far. But, I mean, hey, you don't have to go far to have fun, okay? Really. I mean, if it goes, let's see, I went 40, I think it was 40-something meters up around there, and it started to lose a little bit. I mean, I was still able to control it, but it started losing the video signal. So, you know, that part wasn't that hot. But, you know, as long as it goes like 300 feet, I'll be happy with it. So, yeah. But it did fly. The flight characteristics on this thing were really nice. So, you know, like I said in the video, I got this thing at Black Friday for 150 bucks. It's regularly like $240, but if you could get this thing for 150, it seemed like it was worth it. Flew real nice, brushless motors. Yeah, I'm happy with it. All right, guys, have a nice day.